Good morning, everyone. I mean, it's not morning, it's like 12 o'clock, but I got up like an hour ago and got ready and everything, and now I'm outside. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just bored. So, as you can see, it's not a nice day out. I mean, it feels good. It feels great. It's probably like 80, and it feels pretty good, but it's cloudy, no sun, no nothing, and I just want to see sunshine. But, I don't know. But I go sit in the whip for a while. Don't got nothing to do at all today. Oh. So, yeah, I'm gonna sit out here and charge my phone because I don't feel like going up in my room. Because if I go up in my room, I won't want to come out. I just want to fall asleep. So I sit out here, charge my phone and stuff, and chillax. So I got nothing to do today. And I don't think the bro wants to go nowhere or nothing. So, it's just gonna be my day, I think, today. So, let's just carry on with the day. What is up, guys? Got I'm trying to remember what it's called. Fireball, that OG candy. No, but I'm by myself right now. I'm bored. I got absolutely nothing to do. I'm not sure where I'm gonna go, but let's just carry on with the day and figure out where we're going. So, I think I'm just gonna turn. I don't know. I'm bored. I'm hungry. No, I'm not hungry. I'm kind of hungry, but I don't need nothing to eat right now. But I'm gonna just do something for a little bit. So, let's just carry on the day and see where the car takes me. I don't know. I'm bored. Alright, guys, I'll see you next few. Alright, guys, how to get myself situated. I don't know if it looks that blurry. That shit looks blurry, boy. Hold on, let's see something real quick. Hold up. Wait. I don't know. It looks better, but hopefully it is just my screen. I hope it just don't actually look like that when it comes out. But I don't know, guys. I'm bored. My head up, dicks. No homo. I sneeze again every time I come outside. But let's just go in here and see what they got. So let's go. See, guys, I told you, every store you go into, they want you to get copyright. Like, listen. No music. How much is that? This is $60 for this freaking barbell. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just looking at balls. No homo. Alright, so since I'm probably gonna end up getting the copyright for this, which I mean, I really don't care. So I just make my content just for everyone to see. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that looks good. Wow. That's really good. That's over. Oh my. You just rub this thing like. Wow. This is how my life feels. Stressed. I'm joking. But, I'm pretty much just walking around now. I'm looking at weights and stuff. Some box and stuff. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm not sure what else to do after this. I think I'm gonna go to the Christmas tree store next to here, and then look at like they got junk food and everything there. So might as well just go in, brother. So yeah, let's go. Alright, we're in here now, but I don't know. As soon as I walk in here, like, I don't know, I feel like my head feels mad heavy right now. Like I'm exhausted. I don't know if it's from me being sick or something, but I just want to go out just to not be home. Now I just want to go home and go to sleep. Because I don't feel good. It makes me mad as mofo. So I just hate being sick. And always this time of the year, everything always goes downhill. So yeah, but I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna try to stick it out for a little bit, and then I'm gonna end up going home in a little bit because I'm tired of feeling this way. But well, let's just go on with the day. Yeah, check y'all in a few seconds. Alright guys, I don't know what to do, but I'm kind of craving that Burger King stuff right now. But I don't know if I'm gonna get that or not. What the hell? I think I got like the flu or something. It's like all honesty, my freaking body's kind of aching. My nose is stuffy. My throat isn't feeling it's feeling better, so I don't know. But I do want to go. I want to find the air horn real bad. I just don't know where to get it. So if you guys know where to get an air horn, let me know, like in stores or something, because I really would like to have one. She's actually kind of cute, but I don't know. If you guys know where to get one, I know I can get one off probably eBay or Amazon, anywhere online, but I don't know. I'm gonna just go home, lay down, and freaking go look, because I'm sick and tired of all that, like all this feeling and stuff. So, let's just go home and do the day like that. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Your boy said he need that medication. I don't even know how to read this stuff, but it's what that doctor gave me for my throat and stuff. So it said you gotta shake good, so I was just shaking like it might be my meat. I don't feel my meat like that, but I don't know how much to shake it till, but I'm gonna just shake it. So, well, I'll see y'all in a little bit. What is up, guys? I'm end the vlog here. It's like 8:30, but I'm gonna go take a shower and go to sleep because I'm not feeling well. But when I went to DC the other week, my bro got a flag. Well, my brother got a flag, and I got this pillow. I just want to show y'all the pillow. So, undo this. Oh shoot, this thing's soft as a mofo. Oh my god. Oh. Wow, this bad boy is sweet. Yes. Like, you could put this in an airplane and just be like, but dang. Make sure if you can get one, get it. It only costs like $25, but that's that. Hold on. But anyway, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. Make sure to comment, to rate me. I think I said that yesterday. Just getting old. But rate and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you all for watching. So take care. And peace. Hold on. Thumbnail. Alright guys, peace. See you tomorrow.